Hello, can you hear me out there from back in the projection room? Welcome to Mystic Manor. 歡迎大家嚟到迷你大宅 home to a world-class collection of art, antiquities, and my personal residence. I am Lord Henry Mystic. The young fellow at my side is Albert, my traveling companion, confidant, and rather mischievous partner. Yes, Albert, that's you. Now run along. Well, for several years now, Albert and I have traveled the world in search of rare and precious artifacts for you to enjoy as you tour our home in Mystic Manor. These are just a few of our treasures. And here is our latest acquisition, an ancient music box. Legend has it that this charming music box has the power to bring inanimate objects to life with a touch of its enchanting music. Superstition and nonsense. Oh my. Well, we shall see when we open it, shan't we? Albert, who's a little fellow who can't keep his hands off that music box. Yes, you like that box, don't you? We'll examine it later. Oh, sure. Now, what was I saying? Oh, yes. Welcome, one and all, to Mystic Manor. I better go find the little beggar. He's always up to something.
上車時請留心腳步，上車後請坐好，將手臂同埋腳一直保持喺車裏面，亦請照顧你嘅小朋友。
The first one?
Well, I do hope you've enjoyed your visit to Mystic Manor. Cheers!
請帶齊你嘅隨身物品，從左面來測試，請小心腳步。多謝。Please gather your belongings and watch your step as you exit the carriage to your left. Thank you.
请带好自己的随身物品，从车厢左侧下车，请注意安全。谢谢。
是还有个叫好的。